So we completed the reading part of the chapter 10, respiration in organisms. There is a table that there is a box, blue box, that is given on page number 115. Please open that page. Here the percentage of oxygen, carbon dioxide is given. Okay, inhale layer and exhale layer. In the inhale layer, the percentage of oxygen is 21% oxygen. Okay, and when we exhale it, then there is 16.4% oxygen. Here, and there is 0.04% carbon dioxide. Okay, and when we exhale, it is 4.4% carbon dioxide that is there. So you can see you are inhaling 21% oxygen and you are inhaling 16.4% of oxygen. Clear? So there is decrease in the amount of oxygen. So can anyone tell me why there is decrease in the amount of oxygen? Yes. It is. Yes, it is get used up by our body. Okay, so what is happening at that time? There is breakdown of glucose in the presence of oxygen. That means there is some amount of oxygen that is used up in that. Okay, so there is decrease in the amount of the percentage of the oxygen. But we are inhaling the 0.04% of carbon dioxide and exhaling 4.4% carbon dioxide. So there is increase in the amount of carbon dioxide. So what is the reason behind that? Yes, Yashika? Yes? Yes. Because during the process of respiration, what is happening? There is breakdown of glucose in the presence of oxygen and carbon dioxide is produced. Okay, and this carbon dioxide is produced in each and every cell of the body and it gets collected. And when we exhale, there is increase in amount of the carbon dioxide. Clear? It is clear to you all? Yes? No. Only from some amount of oxygen. Yes. We are examining it. We inhale the air. There are so many other gases that are trapped in that air. We are not only taking oxygen. We are inhaling a mixture of gases. Clear? So now, yes. Pure oxygen is very dangerous. We can't inhale pure oxygen. Okay, that is, yes, the oxygen cylinders that are given there is the other things that are also present in that. Pure, if we are inhaling pure oxygen, that is very harmful for us. Okay. What are you saying? Yes, that is harmful. Okay. Yes, that is harmful for us. Now, next coming to the back exercise. Why does an athlete breathe faster and deeper than usual after finishing the race? Please raise your hand who know the answer. Why we breathe faster and deeper than usual after finishing the race? What is the reason behind that? Yes, people. We are not doing any. Krish, can you add some point to this answer in English? Okay. Yes, Ramni. Okay, so there is when we are inhaling, when we take breath, we inhale oxygen gas. Okay, that oxygen is used in the breakdown of the glucose. Okay, that is giving us energy. So while running, what is happening? There is lot of energy is required. Okay, if there is requirement of large amount of energy, therefore means for the aerobic respiration, there is more amount of oxygen that is required. So therefore, to get the more oxygen, we breathe deeper and faster so that we can get the sufficient amount of oxygen. Clear? So I am just writing the hints. I will send its notes to you today. Okay. In the form of PDF, I will send the answers. Clear? No, you have to make proper sentence. In exams also, you will not only write the hints, you will frame a proper sentence. Clear? Yes. I will combine all the points in this answer. So the answer number 1. So for running, we require energy and this energy is provided by food here. So during running, we require more amount of energy, and the energy is provided by the food, that the glucose. Okay, that is present in that food. Okay, and during the from where we are getting for this the breakdown of the glucose, we require oxygen. For breakdown of glucose, we require oxygen, and there is requirement of more oxygen during running. Okay, therefore to fulfill the sufficient amount of oxygen in our body, we breathe deeper and faster. I am just writing the hints. Okay. So, कैसे कह रहे हो? So therefore, what the sport might advise that take a long breath. Okay, slow but long breath so that we can clear all of that is required to do. Yeah. And the next is list the similarities and differences between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Yes, Ajitesh, aerobic respiration. Oxygen. Yes. Okay. Glucose will give. Very good. Okay. Human. Okay. So similarities. These are the differences. So what are the similarities? Yes, Dhruv. Yes, energy is produced and there is release of the carbon dioxide also. Next point. Any other point? Yes, water is released energy, but in the case of, in the difference, there will be a point that in the case of aerobic respiration, the large amount of energy is produced. In the anaerobic, there is less amount of energy is released. Yes, it is for the short period of time, and aerobic, in the aerobic it occurs throughout the life. It is very good. Please, I am just asking you one similarity, then we will come to the difference part. Okay. So where this the respiration is taking place, both are occurring in the cell. Okay. So it is a similarity. The first similarity is that carbon dioxide is produced. Okay. And the second is the both respiration are taking place in cells. And the third is that there is release of energy. Clear? There are three similarities. Okay, I am writing the differences on the blackboard. Yes, firstly you will write similarities. You will give 3 points. Then come to the differences. Make 2 column and differentiate between aerobic and anaerobic. Yes, in the muscles also you can write. I will combine this point with the reaction one. Okay. So in the next answer number 2, aerobic respiration. And here is anaerobic respiration. Here the breakdown of glucose. Glucose in presence of oxygen. Here the breakdown of glucose occur in the absence of oxygen. So here you will write the complete line. Okay, and the next second, it occurs throughout the life. Occurs throughout life and short period of time. Yes, differences. Similarities I have already discussed. Next point will be large amount of energy is released. And in the case of anaerobic, lesser amount of energy is released. We will write the next point. Products and products. Lesser amount of energy is released. Next is fourth one. Here the complete breakdown of carbohydrates. Complete breakdown of carbohydrates. In this, there is incomplete breakdown of carbohydrates. Here, next, end products. End products in the you have written the first point. Shall I rub it? Yes. I am just rubbing the first point. So the fifth point, it is of end product. Carbon dioxide, water, and energy. Here the end product is alcohol, and you can also write lactic acid. And you have to, just write the lactic acid and then write in bracket in muscles. Clear? Yes, it is also anaerobic respiration. Okay? Yes. Lactic acid. In bracket you can write in muscles. And next write the carbon dioxide and energy. Please complete this answer. Are you not writing? Start writing. You are not writing with your head. You have to just use your hands. That's why you are not writing. Yes. If we are taking something in large amount, ऐसे तो हमारे there is hydrochloric acid. Sufficient amount of very large amount of hydrochloric acid. That is what you what is that? Outside. Okay, now please come into the next answer. Answer number 3. Similarities, I have already told you that the energy is released, carbon dioxide is produced, both are taking place in the cells. 3 similarities. So now coming to the next one. Why do we often sneeze when we inhale a lot of dust laden air, sorry. Yes. Please sit down, Bache. Why are you standing? So what is happening at that time? There are hairs that are present. in our nostrils. So that hair will stop the entering of the germs and the pollens also. But sometimes what happen, it enters in our body, okay, and it irritates the lining of the cavity. Okay, therefore we sneeze. Okay, so it is already, answer is given on page number 112, the blue box. It is answer number 3. Clear? You will mark this answer on your book, page number 112. Now next, coming to the answer number 4. You have take 3 test tubes, fill third, fourth of each with water, label A, B and C. Keep a snail in the test tube A, a water plant in the test tube B, and in C keep snail and plant both. Which tube would have highest concentration of CO2? So in the first one, answer number 4. Please see here. So you have to just take 3 test tubes. You have to fill it with water. We will label them as A, B and C. Clear? In the A, we will put a snail. And in the second one, water plant. And in the C, snail and water plant. So in which test tube there will be more concentration of CO2? More concentration of CO2. Carbon dioxide. The maximum concentration of CO2 is please. Okay. Ajitesh, why C? One by one. Not a proper answer. Yes, Dhruv. In which test tube you are taking about? The maximum concentration of CO2 is in A. Okay, then what you are telling me? Water plant will produce oxygen. Okay. Yes, people. Okay. It will produce CO2 and it will be the CO2 is taken by the plant. Yes. Very good. Sit down. So in the case of C, what is happening? The snail is respiring and it will produce CO2 gas. Okay, that CO2 it is taken by the water plant. So the amount of CO2 is decreased. Okay, and in the case of B, yes, in the case of B also there is photosynthesis process that is happening. Okay, so the more concentration of carbon dioxide is in A test tube. Yes, snail that will produce CO2 gas. Yes. So now coming to the next one. C में Photosynthesis नहीं होती है. Yes. Now please. Now next. Coming to the next one. The snails will respire through the skin. Okay, and I think there are certain other types of snails also. There are a variety of snails. Okay, alag species है. So in some species there are gills are also present. In some, I'm not telling all of them. For example, the snails that are there in the marine water that are found in the marine one. Trees में भी होते हैं. Trees, if you visit any forest, then you can find the snails on the trees also. So please, coming to the next question, pick the correct answer. In cockroaches, air enter the body through spiracles. Students, online student, I am pasting Google form. Please mark your attendance. Now next, during heavy exercise, we get cramps in the legs due to the accumulation of lactic acid. Next, normal range of breathing rate per minute in an average adult person at rest is, yes, 15 to 18. Very good. And D part, during the exhalation, the ribs moves downwards. Next, match the items in column 1 with those in column 2. So yeast, alcohol. Next, diaphragm, chest cavity, skin, leaves, fish, gills, and frog, lungs and skin. Now the next, mark T in the statement. T if the statement is true and F is if it is false. Yes, bachas, please shut up. During heavy exercise, the breathing rate of a person slows down. False. Next, plants carry out photosynthesis only during the day and respiration only at night. False. What is the reason behind that? Because they respire during the day also. Okay, so that's the reason. Therefore, it is false. Yeah, they respire at that time. Yes. Next. So we will do the rest of the exercise tomorrow. Clear?